The functional group of alkanols is the hydroxyl group, OH. Ethanol is a common representative.
Alkanols are polar, they form hydrogen bonds, they dissolve in water, and they have higher boiling points than alkanes.
Water has a higher boiling point than ethanol because water forms stronger hydrogen bonds.
Alkanols are classified as primary, secondary, or tertiary, depending on the carbon atom that carries the hydroxyl group.
Alkanols are classified based on the number of hydroxyl functional groups per molecule. Monohydric alkanols with one OH group, dihydrogens.
Common oxidizing agents for alkanols include acidified potassium dichromate and potassium permanganate.
Primary alkanols are oxidized first to aldehydes, and with stronger oxidation, they form carboxylic acids.
Secondary alkanols are oxidized to ketones, and the reaction stops there because ketones resist further oxidation.
Alkanols undergo total dehydration when heated with concentrated sulfuric acid, losing a full molecule of water to produce alkenes.
Alkanols undergo partial dehydration to form ethers when heated with concentrated sulfuric acid at about 140 degrees Celsius.
Ethanol is widely used as a solvent, a fuel and fuel additive, in pharmaceutical preparations, as a disinfectant, and in the manufacture of perfumes and beverages.
Methanol is the simplest member of the alkanol family. It is also known as wood spirit. It is very poisonous.
Methanol is prepared by the hydrolysis of a halomethane. Industrially, it is prepared by the hydrogenation of carbon dioxide.
Ethanol, commonly called ethyl alcohol, is the best known and most used alkanol. It is often referred to as alcohol. Ethanol can be obtained from a starchy material through fermentation. The enzyme diastase in malt hydrolyzes starch to maltose. The enzyme maltase found in yeast hydrolyzes maltose to glucose. Finally, zymase decomposes.
Ethanol is derived from sugarcane when invertase hydrolyzes sucrose to glucose and fructose, and zymase ferments them into ethanol.
Ethanol is amphoteric in nature and undergoes esterification with ethanoic acid to yield ethyl ethanoate. The liquid is used in methylated spirit, as a fuel in racing cars and rockets, and as a major ingredient in alcoholic drinks.
The Supernovas Academy SSCE and UTME tutorial will begin on the 5th of January 2026.
We prepare students who will be writing SAT or GCSE in no distant time. We sharpen great minds. No child is a dullard.
Our online classes are held on Google Meet. It's a one-on-one live class. Every child or student is given special attention.
You can contact us today through our social media handles. Your child deserves the best, and that's why we're here.